How to fix microphone not working on Instagram in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps, and then scroll down and now click on Instagram. Now here you can see the microphone option. If you turn off your microphone, then turn it on. After turn on your microphone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and open App Store. Now search here Instagram. Now here you can check your Instagram update. If your Instagram have any update, then update your Instagram. After update your Instagram, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now here you can see the option Instagram. Now click on it. Now here you can offload your Instagram app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.